is the meaning of moments you are going to consider. The higher order expectations. If you want to calculate more number of expectations, more higher order expectations, and that you can calculate with the help of the definition of moments game. Generally, when you consider the classification of moments here, the first one is moments about the mean x bar here. Moments about the mean x bar, that is generally called central moments. Moments about the mean x bar, that is called central moments here. About the mean x bar means x equal to x bar here, about x equal to x bar here. In the moments about the mean, you can generally you can consider this part here, that is called the rth moment about the mean. Rth moment about the mean, because many moments you can calculate. Generally, the general moment is rth moment about the mean, that is generally denoted by mu r here, and is given by the definition mu r equal to, because about the mean you are going to calculate. About the mean you are going to calculate. Therefore, that can be written as expectation of x minus x bar whole power r here. Mu r, that is defined as expectation of x minus x bar whole power r here, because it is expectation with the function here. Therefore, function into PDF. If it is a discrete random variable, you can operate summation. If it is a continuous random variable, you can operate integration here. The same function here, x minus x bar whole power r with the PDF here, x minus x bar whole power r with the PDF f of x here, either by summation or integration with respect to the discrete or continuous random variable. That is generally denoted by mu r here. Mu r here. Therefore, in the above definition, if you put r equal to 1, that will be the first moment about the mean here. Mu 1 here, you can get mu 1 here. If you put r is equal to 1 here, then you can get expectation of x minus x bar whole power 1 here. Whole power 1. Whole power 1 is 1 only. But already x bar is a value here. If you operate expectation, means you can operate expectation only for x here, random variable x here. Therefore, you can get e of x minus x bar. E of x is nothing but x bar only. Therefore, x bar minus x bar, or you can get the value as a 0, mu 1 equal to 0. Similarly, if you put r equal to 2, if you put r equal to 2 here, then you can get variance of x. How here? Yes, that is obvious. Expectation of x minus x bar whole square. That is the definition of variance here. Expectation of x minus x bar square. That is the definition of variance. Therefore, you can obviously you can get that value is nothing but variance of x here. That value is nothing but variance of x here. Therefore, this is first classification, moments about the mean, that is generally called central moments. Similarly, another classification is that moments about the arbitrary origin A. Moments about the arbitrary origin A, that is they are generally called raw moments. They are generally called raw moments. Moments about the arbitrary origin A. What will be the definition of moments about the arbitrary origin? Yes, same definition you can use here. And the moments about the arbitrary origin, if you think about the general moment, rth moment about the arbitrary origin A, any origin A, they are generally denoted by mu dash r, the same definition. Here, instead of mean, we are going to consider a general definition, general arbitrary origin A here. Therefore, that is called mu dash r, that is equal to expectation of x minus a whole power r, expectation of x minus a whole power r. That is defined in the same idea. If discrete, you can use summation x minus a whole power r f of x here. If it is a continuous random variable, you can use integral minus infinity x minus a whole power r f of x dx. In that manner, you can calculate here. This is the rth moment about the arbitrary origin, that is generally denoted by mu dash r. Suppose instead of arbitrary origin A here, if you consider the origin 0, general origin 0, then that is also the same definition, this same notation, mu dash r here, mu dash r. Therefore, r the moment about the origin, not arbitrary origin, general a particular origin 0. Therefore, r the moment about the origin, that is also mu dash r, the same notation. In that case, instead of a, you can use 0. Therefore, you can get it as e of x power r, that is mu dash r here. Therefore, that will be denoted by summation, defined by summation x power r f of x, discrete random variable for continuous random variable, that is defined by integral minus infinity x power r f of x dx. Therefore, arbitrary origin means you can use a, generally origin means you can use 0, but both have the same notations, mu dash r, that is the same notation. But mu r means about the mean. x bar here. But mu dash means that is for origin. Origin. That type of notation you can use here. You can use here. Therefore, here you see that here in the arbitrary origin definition, suppose we put r is equal to 1, therefore we can get mu dash 1, that is equal to expectation of x minus a, but a is a constant, therefore we can operate expectation only for x only, random variable x here, therefore we can get x bar minus a, mu dash 1 equal to x bar minus a, that is some expression, expression you can get here. Similarly, here in the about the origin 0, if you put r equal to 1 here, then you can get mu dash 1, equal to r equal to 1, you can get x bar here, mu dash 1 equal to x bar. That is one relation you can get here. Similarly, if you put r equal to 2 here in this origin 0, then you can get mu dash 2 is equal to e of x square. Okay? Mu dash 2 equal to e of x square. But one more relation also in the variance, you know that here. Variance is nothing but what here in terms of this expected value here. E of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x square minus e of x whole square here. So from this also you can get the variance relation here. Therefore, already you know that variance is e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x square minus e of x whole square. Therefore, e of x square is nothing but mu dash 2. E of x square is nothing but mu dash 2. E of x whole square, it is mu dash 1 whole square here. Mu dash 1 whole square, that is variance here. But with the help of previous relation, you know that here variance can also be represented in terms of about the origin, about the mean x bar here, moments about the mean x bar, that is equal to mu 2. Okay, mu 2 here. Therefore, here you can get it as variance is mu 2 here. Variance is mu 2, therefore you can get it as variance can also be represented in terms of mu 2, but here mu 2 variance can also be represented in terms of dash also here, mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Therefore, this will be the relationship between moments about the mean and also moments about the origin here. This is a basic relation between moments about the mean. This is moments about the mean. This will be the moments about the arbitrary origin here. That is also. Therefore, relation is possible. Similarly, if you expand, you can get many relations, so mu 3, mu 4, etc. here. We can get relationship between arbitrary origin and as well as mean. This is the idea of definition of moments about the mean and moments about the arbitrary origin. Moments about the mean means mu r, rth moment. So only rth moment about the origin means mu dash r here. Therefore, this is the very important definitions here about the origin 0. You have to remember always. Now, after moments here, you have the moment generating function MGF, moment generating function here. Moment generating function, it's called MGF. Already you know that here higher order expectations are generated by moments here. Now, moments can easily be generated by moment generating function. Moments can easily generated by moment generating function. That is the one condition you can get that here. What is the definition of moment generating function? That is the next one here. If x is a random variable with PDF f of x, then moment generating function is defined as, denoted by mx of t for a random variable x here. T is a parameter. And is defined by expected value of exponential function, one exponential function e power tx. T is a parameter that you are going to consider it. Expected value of exponential function, that is called, that function is nothing from the random variable x here, about expectation of e power tx here. About expectation of anything will be that function into PDF, that already you know that here. Therefore, for a discrete random variable, it is defined as moment generating function is defined as function is e power tx. Therefore, summation e power tx f of x. For a continuous random variable, defined as integral minus infinity to infinity e power tx f of x. This is small x here, not capital X. E power tx f of x dx. That manner can be. Why it is called a moment generating function? By taking this function and operating expectation, we can get generation of moments here, okay? Generation of moments. That's why it is called moment generative function here. What moment is generating here is rth moment about the origin. Rth moment about the origin. That already you know that here about the origin means mu dash r. That is given by coefficient of t power r by r factorial in mx of t. The mx of t expansion. This is mx of t. If you expand this one here, you can get coefficient of t power r by r factorial. That is nothing but rth moment about the origin here. Yes, we will see the expansion here. You see that here moment generative function definition takes that mx of t is equal to expectation of e power tx. Expectation of e power tx. Now you know that exponential function here 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, and x cube by 3 factorial, and plus etc. here. You know the exponential function expand with the help of that here. Then you can get it as t by 1 factorial x, t square by 2 factorial x square, and plus etc. Rth term will be t power r by r factorial, x power r plus etc. here. Okay? X power r plus etc. Now you operate expectation for this whole expression here. Already you know that expectation of constant is constant, therefore this will be 1 only. But x only the random variable. T is a parameter, x only the random variable. Therefore, you can operate expectation only for random variable only. Therefore, t square by 2 factorial here, e of x square, e of x square plus etc. T power r by r factorial, e of x power r plus etc. here, e of x power r plus etc. Therefore, 1 plus. Already you know that here by the previous definition e of x power r, e of x power r is nothing but mu dash r, rth moment about the origin, particular origin 0. Therefore, this is mu dash r, therefore this will be mu dash 2, this is mu dash 1 here. Therefore, it will be t by 1 factorial mu dash 1, t square by 2 factorial mu dash 2 plus etc. t power r by r factorial mu dash r plus etc. Yes. Therefore, if you expand mx of t, what you are getting here? We are getting rth moment about the origin in each and every time. Moments about the origin in each and every time. Generation of moments about the origin each and every time. Therefore, when you think about rth moment about the origin mu dash r, that is nothing but from the coefficient t power r by r factorial. Coefficient of t power r by r factorial, that is nothing but mu dash r here. That is the idea you are getting it. Therefore, this function mx of t in one line, single line, generates all the moments about the origin. Therefore, it is called moment generating function here. Moment generating function. Now, based on this definition, we have the results here. Some results you can get that here. What is the result you can get here? First result will be mx equal to a of t, any origin, any value, any particular origin x equal to a. Instead of 0, if you think about any origin a, mx equal to a of t, that will be written as e power minus at into mx of t, e power minus at into mx of t. That is one result you can get at. You see that here, mx equal to a of t, mx equal to a of t. They already you know that here mx about the origin, moment generative function about the origin will be 0, will be e power tx, e power tx about the origin 0. Therefore, about the origin a, some other origin a means, already know that here about the origin means you have to use x minus x bar, x minus a in that manner here. Therefore, here x minus a, about the origin a here, therefore x minus a. Therefore, we can get it as expectation of e power tx, e power minus at, e power tx, e power minus at. Now, you can operate expectation only for random variable here. Here only random variable is there, but it is a function only with the parameter t. Therefore, you can operate expectation only for random variable. Therefore, you can get expectation of e power tx, e power tx. Therefore, e power minus at, expectation of e power tx, that is already you know that here mx of t here, mx of t about the origin 0. For if you want to identify moment generative function about any other origin other than 0, then that can be written with the help of 0 origin also. 0 origin here. That you take it as you take just one take e power minus at, you multiply by e power minus at, then the origin 0 mgf, origin 0 mgf, e power minus at into origin 0 mgf. That is nothing but mx equal to any origin a of t. This is the proof of mx equal to a of t. Mx equal to a of t. That can be written as e power minus at into mx of t. Mx of t. This is one result here. Similarly, you have the another result there, very important result. You have to remember always. Mu dash r, rth moment about the origin. Rth moment about the origin, mu dash r, that can also be written as d power r by dt power r of mx of t. Therefore, rth derivative of mx of t, after that you have to put t equal to 0. Rth derivative mx of t at t equal to 0, that is nothing but mu dash r. Mu dash r can also be, by the expansion, can also be written as coefficient of t power r by r factorial mx of t. That is one way. But without expanding that mx of t, also we can write what manner here. Just to differentiate r time here. Just differentiate r time mx of t, then put all the t equal to 0. Then that is also gives the mu dash r here, rth moment about the origin here. Rth moment about the origin. We can also see the proof of this result here. Yes, previously you know that here mx of t can be written as, with the help of this expansion, 1 plus t by 1 factorial and so on here. We differentiate this expansion r times here. You can get the answer easily here. You can get the result easily here. Yes, you see that here, proof of mx of t. We have to get that mu dash r equal to d power r by dt power r of mx of t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, that is the result. You have to prove that. We know that mx of t is nothing but expectation of e power tx. Expectation of e power tx. Already after this expansion from this previous idea here, you can get that this is nothing but 1 plus t by 1 factorial mu dash 1, t square by 2 factorial mu dash 2, then t cube by 3 factorial mu dash 3 plus etc. t power r by r factorial mu dash r. You write one more time, t power r plus 1 by r plus 1 factorial mu dash r plus 1 here, mu dash r plus 1. By this idea here, already you know that here mx of t after expansion you can get this idea here. Therefore, you are using the same result here, 1 plus t by 1 factorial mu dash 1, t square by 2 factorial, and then up to, you move up to r plus 1th term, then plus. Now we are in need of derivatives here. First derivative you have to consider here. First derivative. First derivative means d by dt of mx of t. D by dt of mx of t. D by dt of mx of t you can consider. It will be first derivative. D by dt of mx of t. What are the terms you can get here? This is 0. First derivative with respect to t is 0. This will be 1 by 1 factorial mu dash 1. This will be 2t by 2 factorial mu dash 2. 3t square 3 factorial mu dash 3 plus etc. This is rt r minus 1 by r factorial mu dash r plus 1 t power r whole divided by r plus 1 factorial, r plus 1 factorial mu dash r plus 1, mu dash r plus 1 plus etc. Mu dash r plus 1 plus etc. In that manner you can get that. For this is r plus 1 t power r only, t power r. Then mu dash r plus 1 plus etc. Mu dash r plus 1 plus etc. Therefore, in the first derivative you are getting the terms like this here. In the first derivative you are getting the terms like this here. Similarly, if you get the second derivative here, d square by dt square, d square by dt square of mx of t, second derivative, This is constant 0, then you can get 2 into t. T is the 1, therefore you can get it as 2 into 1 by 2 factorial mu dash 2. Mu dash 2. One more derivative here, 3 into 2 t whole divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial mu dash 3. Okay? Mu dash 3 plus etc. Here r minus 1 t power r minus 2. Okay? T power r minus 2 whole divided by r factorial mu dash r plus r plus 1 t power r minus 1 whole divided by r plus 1 factorial this would be r plus 1 factorial into mu dash r plus 1 plus etc. This is the second derivative. Similarly, if you concentrate on third derivative, what you can get here? This will be 0. Constant. You can get 3 into 2 into 1 by 3 factorial mu dash 3, and then similarly r minus 1 r minus 2 and so on here. If you consider about the third derivative here, d cube by dt cube of mx of t, you can get it as 3 to 1 by 3 factorial mu dash 3 plus etc. r minus 1 r minus 2 by r factorial mu dash r t power r minus 2, I think that here t power r minus 2 t power r minus 3 t power r minus 1 so on. This is r plus 1 r t power r minus 1, therefore it will be, it starts from r plus 1 here. It will be r minus 3, and then next time will be r plus 1 r minus 1 into t power r minus 2 whole divided. See that here, first derivative means first term is these two get cancelled, mu dash 1 only. Second term is mu dash 2, 1 is increased here, mu dash 2, but it contains 1 t power 1, but that term is 2 factorial by 2 factorial form, 2 factorial by 2. 1 means it contains 2 factorial by 2 factorial t power 1 mu dash 2. Second derivative means it is also get cancelled, 2 into 1, 2 factorial get cancelled, mu dash 2, it starts with mu dash 2, second time is mu dash 3, but 1 t term is there, and here both are 3 factorial. So first derivative means second time is 2 factorial, second derivative means 3 factorial by 3 factorial, mu dash 3 and so on. And similarly, you see the third derivative means first time is mu dash 3, second time is definitely 1t, 1 mu dash 4, and then 4 factorial by 4 factorial. Therefore, rth derivative means dr by dt power r mx of t can be written as first time is mu dash r, third derivative means mu dash 3, rth derivative means mu dash r, get cancelled, and then second term definitely mu dash r plus 1, 1t, and then r plus 1 factorial by r plus 1 factorial, in that manner you can get that. Therefore, it will be d power r by dt power r of mx of t, mx of t at t equal to 0. Therefore, if you put t equal to 0, first term contains second term contains t, another third term definitely would contain t square by 2 factorial, fourth term is t cube by 3 factorial, in that manner. Therefore, all the terms which contains t except first term vanishes when putting t equal to 0. Therefore, you can get only mu dash r, d power r by dt power r of mx of t equal to mu dash r. Does all of you understand here? Screen visible? Yes. It will be mu dash r equal to d power r. This result you can get that. This is the idea we can get here, and then we'll see some problems based on this definition. You see the first problem here. The first question: find the MGF of your random variable capital X, whose PDF f of x is equal to 1 by 2 power x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. And hence find the mean and variance. After finding MGF from this PDF for a random variable capital X, they are asking find mean and variance of x here. Right? Yes. What type of random variable is this here? Is it continuous or discrete random variable? discrete random.
Discrete.
Discrete random, because x takes the values and the discrete manner here 1, 2, 3, etc. here. Therefore, it is a discrete. Even though it comes under the functional form, but it is a discrete random because x takes the discrete set of value here. Anyway, if you want to identify MGF, you can use the definition as expectation of e power tx. That you can use summation or integration, because it is discrete random variable. You can use summation. Summation. Already this is a PDF. A coin is tossed until tail appears or head appears. For that type of problem, you can get this kind of PDF. Already you have seen in the yesterday class. For that, this kind of PDF you can get that. Now you see that here. Now you can see solution of this problem in this manner. First problem solution. Yes, given PDF of the random variable capital X, f of x is equal to 1 by 2 power x for x is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 0 otherwise 0 otherwise. Implies x is a discrete random variable. Okay? X is a discrete random variable. Therefore, you are identifying MGF here. MGF mx of t, that is equal to expectation of e power tx. Expectation of e power tx. Expectation of e power tx here. Therefore, you can use expectation of e power tx means because of discrete random variable, you can use e power tx f of x. Summation e power tx f of x because of discrete random variable. Summation e power tx f of x is 1 by 2 power x for x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. For this can also be conveniently written as e power t by 2 whole power x. E power t by 2 whole power x, x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. X equal to 1, 2, 3, sorry, x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, if you expand the summation here, first one is x equal to 1, so it will be e power t by 2. Second one is e power t by 2 whole square, e power t by 2 whole power 3 plus etc. Plus etc. Therefore, if you take e power t by 2 as a common element, 1 plus e power t by 2 plus e power t by 2 whole square plus etc. Plus etc. So now it is like a 1 plus x square form. Therefore, e power t by 2 will be like a 1 plus y square plus etc. Or can use binomial expansion, but you have to give condition also here, 1 minus y whole power minus 1, when it will be possible only if mod y less than 1. E power t by 2, 1 minus y whole power minus 1. Therefore, it will be e power t by 2, 1 minus y. Y is again e power t by 2 whole power minus 1, provided you have the condition of mod e power t by 2 is less than 1. Okay? Right. E power t by 2, therefore can it as 2 by 2 minus e power t. 2 by e power t. For e power t by 2 minus e power t, provided you have the condition that mod e power t less than 2. This is the mx of t. This is your mx of t. Y is e power t by 2. Y is e power t by 2. Based on that, you can get that. So this is the moment generative function of the given random variable having the PDF like that. Right. Now, from the after finding this MGF, they are asking that mean and variance. After finding this MGF, they are asking that mean and variance. Yes, already you know that one relation. What relation here? Mean from the what here? Rth moment about the origin, like that here. You see that here, mean equal to x bar e of x here, x bar, mean equal to mu dash 1, mean equal to mu dash 1. Similarly, they are asking variance here. Variance can be written as mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Variance can be written as mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Therefore, if you want to identify mean and variance here, you have to identify mu dash 1 and mu dash 2 minus mu dash 2 square here. Okay? Mu dash 2 square. What manner you can identify mu dash 2 and mu dash 1 from moment generative function? Because just now we identified that moment generative function mx of t. Therefore, from that mx of t, if you want to identify mu dash 1 is nothing but d by dt of mx of t at t equal to 0. Similarly, mu dash 2 means d square by dt square of mx of t at t equal to 0. Therefore, if you want to identify mean and variance from MGF, what you have to identify? You have to identify mu dash 1, that is nothing but mean from this relation. Similarly, you have to identify one more thing, mu dash 2 from this relation, d square by dt square mx of t. Then variance is nothing but mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square here. Mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square here. Therefore, yes, if you want to identify mean here, deductions, they are asking that mean and variance. Therefore, mean equal to mu dash 1. Mean equal to mu dash 1. This mu dash 1 can be written as d by dt of mx of t. D by dt of mx of t at t equal to 0. D by dt of mx of t at t equal to 0. Already you know the relation. Therefore, it will be d by dt of mx of t is e power t by 2 minus e power t. E power t by 2 minus e power t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. Now, differentiate this one with respect to u by v model here. Denominator is 2 minus e power t whole square. 2 minus e power t whole square and 2 minus e power t. E power t, you see that previous page here. E power t in the numerator, denominator is 2 minus e power t. Therefore, v square, v du minus u dv here. Therefore, we can get it as minus e power t. Minus e power t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. Now, you can, if you want to minimize, you minimize the expression and then you can write here 2 e power t minus e power 2t plus 2t, e power 2t, 2 minus e power t square, 2 minus e power t square, 0. Therefore, your result will be 2 e power t by 2 minus e power t, 2 minus e power t whole square at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, we are searching for mu dash 1, mu dash 1. Therefore, put t equal to 0 here, e power 0, 1, here e power 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 square, so on. Therefore, this is 2. Therefore, mu dash 1 equal to 2. This is nothing but mean of capital X. Mean of the given random variable X. S. When a coin is charged until tail appears, you got the mean value. Expected value is here, 2 tosses here. Yes, here is also you are getting the same result here. Same result here. So, in the same manner, if you want to identify what here? Variance here. Similarly, if you want to identify variance, variance can be written as mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Mu dash 1 square. But mu dash 1 already you know that here. 2. Just we need mu dash 2 only here. Implies mu dash 2. Mu dash 2 can be written as d square by dt square of mx of t. D square by dt square of mx of t at t is equal to 0. That can be written as d by dt of mx of t. D by dt of mx of t at t is equal to 0. T equal to 0. Already one derivative is over. Here you see that this is the first derivative. This is the first derivative. That can be written as 2 e power t minus 2 e power t square. 2 e power t square with t equal to 0. Can you give the answer for this one here? If you differentiate d by dt one more time here with the u by v model here, u by v model here, and what type of relation you can get here? Denominator is 2 minus e power t power 4. Numerator is 2 minus e power t square. E power t square. You see that here 2 e power t, 2 e power t. 2 e power t only minus 2 e power t as a common element. V u dv, then you can get 2 into 2 minus e power t into minus e power t. Minus e power t. At t is equal to 0. At t equal to 0. Therefore, no need to minimize because we need only the value only. So, e power 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 e power 0, 1, therefore 2 only, minus 2 into 2, 4, e power 0, 1, e power 0, 1, 2 minus 1, e power 0, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Here e power 0 1 here, this minus plus, plus, and then 2 minus 0 e power 0 1, therefore 2 minus 1 1 only, therefore 6, or your answer will be 6, mu dash 2 is equal to 6. Implies from this you can write variance is equal to mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Therefore, you can get it as 6 minus 2 square. Already mu dash 1 is 2. So you can get variance is 4. Therefore, sorry, 6 minus 2, 2, sorry, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Therefore, variance for this problem is also 2. Variance for this random variable with the corresponding PDF is also 2. All of you understand the idea to calculate mean and variance from the MGF. All of you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
anyone, any doubt here? No doubts.
Variance, sir. In variance calculation, I have doubts.
Variance calculation?
I think there is whole square now, sir.
Variance is mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 whole square.
No, sir. Above step 2 plus 4, how it comes? When it is 2 minus.
Here one minus is there, na? Minus. This minus.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, ba?
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can get it as mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square, 6 minus 4, 2. Correct? Similarly, you have the another problem that find the MGF of your random variable capital X whose PDF is given by f of x equal to 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 for x greater than or equal to 0, for 0 otherwise here. It is also a problem we solved in the random variable. What is the problem? A person spends time in electronic gadgets in minutes. That has the PDF like this here, 1 by a into e power minus x by 5. That you identified a as a 1 by 5, 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5. The same problem, PDF. Now you are taking that PDF here. For that PDF, the random variable capital X, they are asking that find the MGF first. After finding MGF, you find the mean and the variance here. What type of random variable is this?
Continuous.
Continuous. This is
Continuous.
Because x greater than or equal to 0, it takes 0 to infinity. Therefore, it will be continuous random variable. For continuous random variable, you can use the integration. Integration to find MGF correspondingly mean and variance. Mean and variance. For solution of the second problem, given PDF is f of x equal to 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5, x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. Implies x is a continuous random variable. Therefore, MGF equal to expectation of e power tx. That takes the definition integral minus infinity to infinity e power tx f of x dx. E power tx f of x dx. For minus infinity to infinity, for 0 to infinity only this functional value. Therefore, 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 with this functional e power tx. E power tx. This function e power tx. F of x dx. Now you can club e power tx and the e power minus x by 5. You take the minus as a common element because with x also common element here, x also common element. So it will be minus t plus 1 by 5. Minus t plus 1 by 5. Because you take minus x as a common element, y means here plus 0 plus infinity is there in the upper limit here. Therefore, if you take minus x, that will be a best choice to get the limits properly. Or integral 0 to infinity, what manner you can write here? It will be 1 minus 5t, 1 minus 5t by 5, 1 minus 5t by 5 into minus x minus x dx. Minus commonly here, therefore 1 minus 5t by 5, 1 minus 5t by 5 minus x dx. Now integrate this one here. with respect to x here, then can get 1 by 5. 1 by 5 integration will be, see that here, e power minus 1 by 5, so on here. Therefore, you can get it as exponential e power 1 minus 5t by 5 x whole divided by 1 minus 5t by 5 with the minus sign, with the limit 0 to t. So this 5 and 5 get cancelled here. 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 get cancelled here. Therefore, we can get it as minus of 1 by 1 minus 5t. Minus of 1 by 1 minus 5t. When applying limit here, e power minus infinity 0. E power minus infinity 0. E power 0, 1 here. E power 0, 1 here. Therefore, minus minus plus here. So your answer will be 1 minus 5t. 1 minus 5t. What is this? Mx of t. Mx of t is equal to this one. Further, we need a mean and variance from this mx of t, mean and variance. Mean is nothing but mu dash 1. Mean is nothing but mu dash 1. That is equal to, screen visible or not here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Yes, I am unable to see that buttons. That's why I am asking. For mean equal to mu dash 1, that is equal to d by dt mx of t at t equal to 0 here. Therefore, d by dt mx of t, d by dt of mx of t, 1 by 1 minus 5t, this is mx of t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. For one time derivative you can use here, about minus 1, 1 minus 5t whole power minus 2, whole power minus 2 into minus 5, into minus 5 at t equal to 0. Power minus 1, power minus 2 into minus 5. But if you put t equal to 0, otherwise for our convenience you can write it as minus minus plus 5 by 1 minus 5t whole square. 5 by 1 minus 5t whole square at t is equal to 0. But if you put t equal to 0, 1 minus mean mu dash 1, mu dash 1 equal to 5, that is equal to mean. For mean, that you can get 5 minutes for that problem here. For mean equal to 5 for this one. Can all of you identify variance with the help of mu dash 2 for this problem? Can you give the answer for mu dash 2? Mu dash 2 already one derivative is over. One derivative is over, that is 5 by 1 minus 5t whole square. With the help of that you can identify. Now mu dash 2, to identify variance, mu dash 2 is equal to d square by dt square of mx of t. D square by dt square of mx of t at t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Therefore, that can be written as d by dt of mx of t. Mx of t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. d by dt of mx of t is already here. 5 by 1 minus 5t whole square. 5 by 1 minus 5t whole square. With the t equal to 0. Can you give the answer for mu dash 2? Mu dash 2. Differentiate one time. Answer?
50, sir.
50, yeah.
50.
50, yeah.
Yes, sir.
50,
50, sir.
50, yes, very good. Therefore, your mu dash 2 is equal to 50 now. Then you can identify variance. Variance of x is equal to mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 whole square. Already mu dash 1 is 5 square. Therefore, your answer will be 25. So, variance for this problem will be 25 minutes. The variance time will take plus or minus 25 here. Average level spend 5 minutes, but variance plus or minus 25 here, 30 and so on. Therefore, 30 minutes you can spend. In that manner, can. Yes, from this today's topic, you can able to identify the concept of moments and moment generative function. Moments and moment generative function. Moments is nothing but if you want to identify higher order expectations, that you can get with the help of moments definition. Moments about the mean, similarly moments about the arbitrary origin. Moments about the mean means mu r. Moments about the arbitrary origin means mu dash r for rth moment. Okay. Then we have relations. Mu dash 1 is nothing but mean of the random variable capital X. Mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square is nothing but variance of the random variable capital X. Therefore, after finding MGF is mx of t, definition is e power tx, that generate all the moments in a single line, but about the origin. Therefore, from that MGF we can also identify corresponding mean and variance here. That is the thing. So far you identified with the help of the relation d power mu dash r equal to d power r by dt power r of mx of t at t equal to 0. Yes, that is the idea we have seen so far here. Any doubts in the so far topics here? Yes, no. Okay. Tomorrow I will give some problems in the screen here. So far, topics of random variable and